When a girl starts loving the color pink again, she's healing. You know, color psychology plays a significant role in how others perceive you and how you feel about yourself. The colors you wear can influence first impressions, set the mood, and even affect your confidence. So, here's a breakdown of different colors, their psychological impact, and the best occasions to wear them. Now, let's first talk about black color. It represents authority, elegance, and formality. It gives off a powerful and serious vibes, making you look polished and dominant. Black color is best for like business meetings and interviews where you want to appear more confident and in control. Formal events, award ceremonies, first dates, where you want to be mysterious plus sophisticated. Nightclubs can also be a great option where you want to be elegant plus a touch of mystery. Now, let's talk about red. Here's a fun fact. Babies are attracted to the color red, especially in the early months. Red is a color of passion, strength, and energy. It draws attention and signals power and assertiveness. It's best for date nights to appear more attractive and bold if you want to look bold. I hope you want to look bold. Public speaking to command attention, sales and negotiation to appear more persuasive. If you're a competitive person or if you're going into any competition, wear red. It will make you dominant. Now, my favorite color, navy blue. Blue is associated with intelligence, calmness, and authority. Darker shades of navy blue show professionalism and reliability. And if you saw Suits, American TV series, in that series, it is clearly shown that the lawyer Harvey Specter mostly wears navy blue suits to show more authority and professionalism. So, navy blue is suitable for job interviews, office settings where you want to be trustworthy and professional, also for formal meetings, authoritative but not aggressive. And also court appearances. As I've told you before, lawyers often wear navy blue to appear more competent and neutral, authoritative, and whatever. And listen, if you want to know which color suits you the best or which color combination is good for your skin, what is your skin undertone, how you can dress confidently, and how you can do things confidently, you can watch these videos and you can find them in the description below because I cannot add everything in this video, darling. It's going to be too lengthy. So, coming back to our topic. White. White gives off a clean and fresh look. It signifies sophistication, minimalism, and purity, peace. And that's the reason doctors used to wear white to show purity and cleanliness. So, it's best to wear them on summer outfits, light, fresh, and elegant. In summers, wear light colors. Job interviews, crisp white shirt is equals to confidence and cleanliness. First meetings, it will make you approachable and trustworthy. Wedding related events, obviously classy and pure. Pink! Now listen, girls. Lighter shades of pink are associated with softness and romance, while bolder pinks show confidence and energy. So, add pink in your wardrobe. It's important. It's so elegant, beautiful. Don't hate pink color. Now, whenever you go on a date, especially, wear soft pinks for a more feminine and approachable look. Second, networking. More friendly and engaging if you work in any of the organizations. And you can also wear it in spring and summer. And especially on the places or events where you want to appear more open and kind. I hope you're getting me. You know, girl, play with colors. They're beautiful. For example, if you watch TV, movies, or series, so in filmmaking, what they do is they use colors strategically to convey symbolism and enhance the storytelling. And an amazing example, if you want to look at the impact of color in the series Wednesday. It's a great example of how this shows that Wednesday Adams mysterious, serious, and bold type of girl, and on the other hand, her friend Enid is bright, lively, and full of happiness. And all of this is because colors. Similarly, the movie Matrix green is used for futuristic and otherworldly feel, and the famous Wizard of Oz used vibrant Technicolor for a shift of narrative and emotion. Yellow! Yellow radiates warmth, positivity, and creativity. It can boost your mood and it makes you appear more lively. And did you know red and yellow color is often considered as a hungry color because they are known to stimulate the hunger in you and encourage people to eat more. And that's the reason most popular choice for food branding and marketing like McDonald's and KFC uses red and yellow color to make you more hungry and encourage you to eat more. Now, you can wear it to social gatherings to stand out in a cheerful way, daytime events, brunch, festivals, or vacations, casual meetings to appear more fun and energetic. I can bet we all love golden color. I love it so much. Gold represents prosperity, status. It adds a touch of opulence and grandeur, making you look more rich and wealthy. Now, best for evening parties, statement gold jewelry, dresses, special events to exude richness and class, and high-end fashion looks, luxurious feel. It will give you a good luxurious feel. And another color which I like the most is emerald green. Deep green shades, especially emerald, signify elegance, growth, and financial success. So, if you want to look more stable and rich and wealthy, try this color. It's best for business events. It shows success and stable energy. First meetings, prosperous and trustworthy appearance, fall and winter. Fashion, like it's rich, deep, and elegant. Now, let's talk about burgundy. Elegance, depth, and power. You know, burgundy is a very sophisticated and mature color. It's not like red. If you don't want to go bold like red color, you can also go for burgundy. It exudes confidence without being too bold. So you can wear it on date nights, a richer, less aggressive version of red. Business dinners, it will make you classy and well put together. Formal wear for a rich, elegant feel. Orange. You know what? I often saw people and they don't like orange. Why? It's a color of enthusiasm and friendliness. It helps create an open, welcoming vibe. You can wear orange color to social events to appear more fun and lively, like in creative industries, artistic and expressive, casual outings, playful and engaging. And please wear orange. Why you don't like orange color? Like, tell me the reason in the comments below. Then why do you don't like orange? You know, there are a lot of colors of orange. Like if you deep dive into the color palette, and after that you come to know that there are a lot of colors that are orange, but in some lighter or darker shades. So go with whatever goes best with you, but don't just wear a certain color that I'm not gonna wear that color. Why? So how you can use that in everyday life for a confident, bold look? Wear red, black, navy blue to exude authority. For a romantic, attractive look, choose red, pink, or burgundy for passion and work. And approachable, friendly look, opt for orange, yellow, or light blue to appear more engaging. And for a sophisticated, luxurious look, wear emerald green, gold, burgundy to showcase class. And if you belong to a professional field, well, maybe most of you do, then stick to navy blue, black, or white for trust, competence, and authority. So, if you like this video, share it with your friends and family to make them more powerful, attractive, sophisticated. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye!